Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the ILIFE A11 is a fantastic robot vacuum cleaner. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. The number 5 reason that this is better than the competition is because it uses laser navigation. That means it's not going to be falling off the edge of stairs. It's not going to be doing damage to your products, your items. This thing is designed for intelligence. It can see obstacles, and it has the most intelligent design of any robot vacuum around. The number 4 reason to pick it up is that 4,000 PA of ultra suction. A lot of the competition are just brooms. They're just sweeping up. Well, this is sweeping up the competition because it's an actual vacuum cleaner that has a great bit of suction. 4,000 PA is no joke. That's comparable to a lot of the plug-in big body vacuum cleaners. The number 3 reason is that it's got a quick exchange water tank with the dustbin so you can do your mopping as well. So you want to go ahead and do some mopping, just swap out the tank and you're good to go. The number 2 reason why this is head and shoulders above the competition is because the intelligent smart app. Not only does this have a remote control to where you can control it remotely, but you can control it with your phone, setting schedules, having it do specific areas, having it do specific work. This laser guided 2-in-1 water tank with extra powerful battery, extra powerful suction, also is app controlled. ILIFE has thought of everything with this fantastic robot vacuum. And the number 1 reason to pick up this fantastic, good-looking piano finish vacuum with mopping feature is because of the brand. ILIFE has been around for a long period of time. They're absolutely a stellar brand that cares about their brand image, meaning they're not going to be handing you something that is lower quality. Now, I love this vacuum. I love that it's got the easy swap out. I love that it's got extra and removable brushes. I like that it has the HEPA filtration. I love the mopping feature that you just clip on the bottom and you change out the dustbin. So many cool things here. Also the LiDAR, extremely intelligent, the smart app. But the fact that it is ILIFE means you know you're getting a quality product. This is a premium brand, and they are not hitting you too hard in the pocketbook. So if you're looking for a great product, folks, ILIFE is among the best of the best. Now I'm going to ask you to stick around because we have an up-close portion of the video that's going to blow your mind. These guys are intelligent, they're smart, and they've got great products with real suction and powerful lithium-ion batteries that don't have that battery memory. Now stick around, we have the up-close portion of the video where you get to see all the product specs and details. But if you're looking for a great, stylish, sophisticated robot vacuum to do your vacuuming for you so you don't have to, get rid of the man hours. Don't do that vacuuming yourself. Go ahead and pick this up, you won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we truly love, and this one's a great one. All right, folks, thanks again for watching, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video where I give you all the details. All right, folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, looking at ILIFE's A11. It's a laser navigation wet and dry system. I'm gonna show you all the product details right about now, at least all that, all that I wanna show you. Now, first, you've got here your dustbin. You can replace that out. It does have the tank here, and it's just easy to replace. Just pops right in, all right? And you've got your fill area here because this is for both wet and dry, all right? Easy to replace. Also, you have your brush right here to where you can clean out the brushes and everything associated with it. Easy on and off. And I love that piano finish. It just looks nice, right? Now on the other side, you have the rubberized wheels. This is going to keep it a lot quieter. And it also has the ILIFE Vac app, which is available in your app store. Then right here, you can take out the brush. Look at that tight bristle brush to get deep into your carpets, deep onto the floors and things of the sort. And it does have a replacement brush for when that one starts getting dirty. You have to like the fact that this is easy to put together, easy to replace, and straightforward. Now on top of that, it comes with 2 of the brushes, which are going to essentially, any debris on the side is going to push it into, there we go, into the suction area. So that's super nice. All right, what else can I tell you about it? Move it over here. Here's your charging docking station. Okay, this will dock itself and it just backs right up into here. You've all seen Robot Vacuum do that now. On top of all of that, it has, of course, the pad for mopping, and it comes with a replacement pad for when this one starts getting dirty. But yeah, you can also, you can wash the pad itself in the wash machine. So that's nice. On top of all of that, it does have the iLife very sophisticated remote control. You can tell it to go home, you can start it, you can go through all the menus, on, off, all your timers, everything associated with that, all by remote control. Are you kidding me? That's nice. You can start it, set it, schedule it by remote control or by the app. And obviously the app is super intuitive. All right, 110 to plug in, to charge. It is battery powered with a big 4,000 PA of suction and 4,900 mAh battery. All right, over here, instruction manual, everything you need to know there, as well as an additional filter. So when your filter starts to get a little old, they've got your back. I love that this company, that iLife, has gone ahead and thought of everything, even the replacements. As things start to wear, they give you a new mop head, they give you a new brush, they give you a new one of these brushes, they give you a new filter. You've got the wet and the dry tank. Really fantastic. The dustbin, the wet tank. So let's look at the box. A lot of people want to see this when they get it. It's an A11 laser navigation for wet and dry. It's a robot vacuum cleaner. It has laser navigation, so a lot of things are just bump, bump, bump and try to remember. This actually uses lasers. I believe the term is LiDAR. It's a 2-in-1 water tank. It's got the extra large battery capacity and 4,000 PA of suction. Okay. Now we're gonna go over to this side. And yeah, I really like the fact that this thing isn't just a sweep. It doesn't just sweep up the dirt, it sucks it up. And it's got a much larger battery than the competition. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If you're looking for a great product, this is among the best of the best. It's iLife. iLife is a great company that's been in business for a long time. You're absolutely gonna love this. On top of all that, the gross weight is 7 kilograms. It's lightweight. It's a nice robot vacuum. It looks good, and it's one that you're going to love. So go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we love, and guess what? This is among the best of the best. Go ahead and pick yours up, folks. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.